Hello, this is Jose Ramos Horta. I am the president of Timor-Leste. I am inviting you, young runners, not so young runners, to come to Timor-Leste to participate in the Dili International Marathon, an exceptional experience in a beautiful city with beautiful people, very welcoming to visitors. There will be a run for children, there will be fun run, there will be 10-kilometer run, there will be half marathon, there will be full marathon. Your choice. If you bring families, yes, we will accommodate the beautiful children. If you wish to participate in half marathon, you will be able to participate, or in the full marathon. I look forward to your visit to Timor-Leste.